Royal Talons are renowned internationally for their high-quality art products, and their range of Amsterdam acrylics are no exception. Amsterdam Acrylic Paints are fantastic paints for beginners, intermediate and seasoned professional artists alike. With a broad range of stunning colours and a high degree of light fastness, these paints offer smooth, durable, pure and non-fading pigments that adhere beautifully to a variety of surfaces. The vast colour range also covers a series of metallic, pearl and reflex colours. Amsterdam acrylics are fantastic for painting on canvases and many other different surfaces. The binding agent is made from 100% acrylic resin to maintain exceptional colour results and pigments for decades to come. Amsterdam acrylics are quick drying and non-toxic, and thin layers can dry within half an hour. This paint can also be mixed and thinned with water or other acrylic mediums for a variety of different effects. When you're finished painting, these paints are easily cleaned up with soap and water, and the tubes are also recyclable once empty. The Amsterdam acrylic range is available in 120ml and 500ml tubes and tubs, and is also available in a wide variety of curated sets that offer a fantastic base for someone starting out. Explore the exceptional range of Amsterdam acrylic colours today and start creating.